In the next, we are using here a semicircular white sheet, making a cut on the top, and now inserting this yellow sheet in this way, pouring the same color of the hand. A baby bird is ready. Let's proceed to the next. Here we have taken a black strip, putting the double tape over it. Now putting the ear with the pink sheet and putting the eyes. Now using this strip, white strip, to make the mustache. So it's a rat. In the next, we are using here a one-sided sheet, yellow and white sheet, making a fold in the triangular shape in this way, flipping it up. Again making a fold in the middle, putting the rest of the side, putting the downward portion of the sheet in this way, inserting like this, making a fold in this way, so you will get a hen is ready. In the next, we have drawn a porcupine in this orange sheet. Now it's time to cut it out, making the face using this colorful strip to make its back look more attractive. In the next, we are using this brown sheet, making a cut with the knife in the middle, and now it's turn to make the cone, and after this done, making a cut on the downward side, so you will get this, and after this done, making a cone with the help of light color and putting this light color onto this dark color. Now we are making here its eyes and its nose. It's ready. In the next, we are using here a circular sheet, so we have taken a two sheet, now making a heart like shape and making its face, so it will look like this. Now putting the another circular sheet in this way, so it will work like its back. Now taking another strip, so that will work like a tail, so a rat is ready. In the next, we have taken our brown sheet, putting the small red sheet over it, making the face, putting the lid on its back in this way, and now putting the tail, so the spider is ready. In the next, we have taken this cylindrical shape of cardboard, putting this light blue sheet around it, making the face with the help of sketch. Now we are going to use the finger that will look like its ear. In the next, we have taken a sheet and putting the more color to look like the nest of the bird, using the white sheet to make the bird's egg and putting the leaf around it. A bird is sitting in the nest is ready. In the next, here we are using orange sheet and making a fold in this way, so it will shape like a triangle, taking each side of the edge in this way with the help of this finger, so it will look like a ear, putting the eyes into it, so a wool face is ready. In the next, here we are using the red and white circular sheet, putting the black circular sheet to make the beak of the bird. Now putting the red sheet to make its wing, putting more colorful sheet to make its tail. A bird is ready. In the next, here we are using a pink and white sheet to make the rabbit. So firstly, we have made its ear, its face, more face like that, and after this done, putting all together in this way, making its base with this white sheet, putting this kind of sheet on the top and inserting the thread, so a hanging rabbit face is ready. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.